Am I a student? Yes, you are a student. Is she your friend? Yes, she is my friend. Are they siblings? Yes, they are siblings. Is it a sunny day today? Yes, it is a sunny day today. Am I late for the class? No, you are not late for the class. Is he a teacher? No, he is not a teacher. Are we going to the park? Yes, we are going to the park. Is the cat on the chair? No, the cat is not on the chair. Am I hungry? Yes, you are hungry. Is this your book? Yes, this is my book. Are they from France? No, they are not from France. Is it a big house? Yes, it is a big house. Am I wearing a red shirt? No, you are not wearing a red shirt. Is she a doctor? Yes, she is a doctor. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Is it a blue car? No, it is not a blue car. Am I your neighbor? No, you are not my neighbor. Are they playing soccer? Yes, they are playing soccer. Is he my brother? No, he is not your brother. Am I in the right place? Yes, you are in the right place. Is it a rainy day? No, it is not a rainy day. Are you a good student? Yes, I am a good student. Is this your dog? No, this is not my dog. Am I tall? Yes, you are tall. Is she a singer? No, she is not a singer. Are we going to the beach? Yes, we are going to the beach. Is it a cold day? No, it is not a cold day. Am I sleepy? Yes, you are sleepy. Is he your cousin? No, he is not my cousin. Are they watching a movie? Yes, they are watching a movie. Is it a green apple? No, it is not a green apple. Am I good at math? Yes, you are good at math. Is this your bike? No, this is not my bike. Are you a teacher? No, I am not a teacher. Is she your sister? Yes, she is my sister. Am I a chef? No, you are not a chef. Is it a hot day? Yes, it is a hot day. Are they going to the zoo? No, they are not going to the zoo. Is he your best friend? Yes, he is my best friend. Am I a good dancer? No, you are not a good dancer. Is this your umbrella? Yes, this is my umbrella. Are we late for the train? No, we are not late for the train. Is it a small cat? No, it is not a small cat. Am I at the right address? Yes, you are at the right address. Is she wearing a yellow dress? No, she is not wearing a yellow dress. Are you from Japan? No, I am not from Japan. Is it a new phone? Yes, it is a new phone. Am I a good singer? No, you are not a good singer. Are they playing the piano? Yes, they are playing the piano. Is it a brown dog? No, it is not a brown dog. Am I in the wrong place? No, you are not in the wrong place. Is it a long road? Yes, it is a long road. Are we going to the museum? No, we are not going to the museum. Is he a doctor? Yes, he is a doctor. Am I wearing glasses? No, you are not wearing glasses. Is it a fast car? Yes, it is a fast car. Are you my classmate? No, I am not your classmate. Is this your bag? Yes, this is my bag. Am I a good swimmer? No, you are not a good swimmer. Are they brothers? Yes, they are brothers. Is it a hot cup of coffee? No, it is not a hot cup of coffee. Am I a fast runner? Yes, you are a fast runner. Are they at the library? No, they are not at the library. Is it a yellow flower? Yes, it is a yellow flower. Am I a good cook? No, you are not a good cook. Is she wearing a blue hat? Yes, she is wearing a blue hat. Are we going to the airport? No, we are not going to the airport. Is it a big city? Yes, it is a big city. Am I good at drawing? No, you are not good at drawing. Is this your computer? Yes, this is my computer. Are they in the garden? No, they are not in the garden. Is it a quiet place? Yes, it is a quiet place. Am I a patient person? No, you are not a patient person. Is he playing the guitar? Yes, he is playing the guitar. Are we having a test today? No, we are not having a test today. Is it a red balloon? Yes, it is a red balloon. Am I good at playing chess? No, you are not good at playing chess. Is she your neighbor? Yes, she is my neighbor. Are they from Brazil? No, they are not from Brazil. Is it a clean room? Yes, it is a clean room. Am I a good listener? No, you are not a good listener. Is this your cat? Yes, this is my cat. Are we going to the cinema? No, we are not going to the cinema. Is it a cold drink? Yes, it is a cold drink. Am I a shy person? No, you are not a shy person. Is he a good student? Yes, he is a good student. Are they watching TV? No, they are not watching TV. Is it a big tree? Yes, it is a big tree. Am I a fast typer? No, you are not a fast typer. Is this your pencil? Yes, this is my pencil. Are we going to the mountains? No, we are not going to the mountains. Is it a hot day? Yes, it is a hot day. Am I good at playing video games? No, you are not good at playing video games. Is she a good singer? Yes, she is a good singer. Are they my classmates? No, they are not your classmates. Is it a small table? Yes, it is a small table. Am I a good photographer? No, you are not a good photographer. Is it a blue sky? Yes, it is a blue sky. Are we having pizza for dinner? No, we are not having pizza for dinner. Is it a long book? Yes, it is a long book. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning! Great